Today, we're going to go over some of the 55 plus communities in Charleston, South Carolina. Let's go! Hello there, my name is Jason Husted. I'm a local real estate agent in Charleston, South Carolina. Thank you for visiting my channel today. My team and I have helped over 100 families this year alone. If Charleston is an area that you're interested in moving to, please visit my website as it has access to thousands of properties in the Charleston area. Click the link below and check it out. Each one of these communities is very special and really makes you feel a part of something bigger than yourself. My past clients commend these neighborhoods as having led them to amazing friends while igniting old and new hobbies. Let's see what each one has to offer. There are 3 55 plus communities in Summerville. We're going to start with the Cresswind at the Ponds. Located near Highway 17, this community is truly a gem. It has over 21 miles of trails and walkways backed by a conservation easement. When you're out here on the preserve, you can feel that you are truly connected to nature. This is a great place to kayak, birdwatch, and get your daily walk on. Residents have access to all amenities within the pond subdivision. If you're looking for a fitness area to stay in shape, there is a YMCA located within the subdivision. In the heart of Cresswind is Club Cresswind. Here you will find a mixture of indoor and outdoor amenities. Some of the indoor amenities include yoga studio, an arts and crafts room, and demonstration kitchen. The outdoor amenities consist of pickleball, tennis courts, and amphitheater that hosts the local concerts. Also, while going through these communities, if you're interested in knowing more about these, please feel to reach out to me and my team at 843-925-7600. We would love to help you out and answer any questions that you may have. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click like. That way YouTube keeps our algorithm going. Next up on the other side of Summerville is the Four Seasons. This is a remarkable lakefront resort-style community built by Hovnanian. It is located in one of the fastest growing communities in Charleston, Cane Bay. Four Seasons boasts a 24,000 square foot clubhouse. That's 4.5 times the size of a professional basketball court. You will find here a full-time fitness director on site in a variety of classes from Zumba, yoga, billiards, and more. Everyone loves the community's serene park-like setting nestled around a 300-acre lake. You can catch residents out here going on an evening stroll, fishing, or just watching the beautiful sunsets. Last but not least, there is Webb at Nexton. Webb is located right off of Nexton Parkway, just minutes from downtown Nexton. This is an amazing place to relocate as the town grows into its full potential. Check out our Nexton video right here, that way it'll give you a more in-depth look at it. This thoughtfully planned community holds a relaxed feeling. There's a heated paradise pool, pickleball courts, and over 50 miles of trails. Many residents have said they feel as if they are on vacation when they move here. Inside of the community center, you will find an indoor pool, a gym, ballrooms for special events, and rooms for the community's social clubs. Fun fact, if you're interested in starting your own club, you can submit a request to Webb. Before you know it, you'll be teaching others about your interests. So bring your ideas and passions when you move here. Whichever community you choose to move to, you will not be disappointed. Each one is special in its own way with its very own atmosphere. If you are interested in finding more information about these neighborhoods, please feel free to reach out to me at 843-925-7600. My team of agents are eager to assist throughout your home buying experience or building. We look forward to welcoming you to your new Charleston lifestyle. Thanks for watching.